Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be working on these Nike Air Max 96s. We're going to be doing our best to bring them back to pristine condition. Let's go. Gotta get our soap ready. We're going to be using the Angelus Easy Clean. We're going to start with our soft bristle brush, but of course you gotta get rid of the laces first. After that, we're ready for our shoe trees. Oops, forgot to take out the insole. Put in our shoe trees and let's get started. Next up, we're going to be using our medium bristle brush to hit the uppers again to get rid of all this dirt, and also hit the midsoles. Perfect. And of course we can't forget about our laces. We're going to be using the rest of the solution and just dumping them in and just work in that soap to get them as clean as possible. Now it's time to paint the midsoles. As you can see, it's all cracked up and it needs a new paint job. Let's get it. We're going to be starting off by taping the uppers. Now we're going to be using some acetone to get rid of the top coat or the clear coat on the midsoles. I don't know why, but I decided to go with the 1:1 ratio with the GAC 900 and the white paint. But I already mixed it in this little bottle, and we're just going to start hitting the cracks of the midsole. Let's go. We're inching closer to the finish line, guys. We're going to be hitting up the soles with a Krylon matte finish to protect our painted surface. was a kind of a black mark on the toe box, but I couldn't really do anything about that, so I just left it alone. Now it's time to put on the laces. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the laces, so I'm just gonna fade this away. Let's go. Final step, guys, we're gonna be protecting our uppers with the Angelus water and stain repellent. Thank you guys so much for watching, for the continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Like this video. And I'ma see y'all, man. Peace.